Let's give you that markets update now. The local index set for another good day today. Asian markets went against the grain this morning, with the markets in Japan, Hong Kong and mainland China all green, despite the three major indices in the US all ending lower overnight. Carmen Mpelwane is portfolio manager at Absa Asset Management. She joins us now for a quick markets update. Carmen, good morning to you. Let's begin with your quick overview of how the markets have opened in early trade.
So we've seen the JSE open up in the green this morning, up over about 1.3% at present. And that's largely been boosted by the likes of Naspers and Prosus, which are both up over 13%. And as you've mentioned, that's off the back of the significant rally in Tencent overnight and into this morning. So that's definitely given us a boost. Resources up as well, and retail slight marginally up too.
Let's then quickly talk company news. MTN Ghana releasing its results for the quarter, which ended on the 30th of September 2022. How did that unit fare?
On the back of MTN Nigeria's results that came out yesterday, these also at the top line looks strong. And we're seeing that filtering down to the earnings as well. We saw significant growth, but I think that needs to be viewed from the perception that, number one, we've seen significant depreciation in the local currency compared to the US dollar. And number two, we've also seen the inflation in Ghana reaching over 37%. So in light of that, it seems to be a little bit weaker than we would have hoped for. We have seen subscriber numbers increasing in the early teens, and then top line we've seen above 20%. So all in all, looked strong initially, but based on the macroeconomic impacts, and management have also cautioned in terms of the macroeconomic headwinds going forward, not as positive as we had initially thought. Having said that, we are looking to see some positive news coming out of MTN Group at the end of this week.
Let's conclude with Alex Forbes, which has completed its acquisition of Sanlam's standalone retirement fund administrator's operations. Talk us through what this means for their service offering going into the future.
Yeah, so this deal was announced in early December last year already, so it has been expected. It shouldn't be a shock to the market at all. And what this has done is taken over the retirement fund administration from Sanlam for the larger part and taken that over to Alexander Forbes. So this gives Alexander Forbes more scale in terms of the number of members that are administered. And this is aligned with their strategy that they have announced before.
Carmen Mpelwane, let me thank you very much for that markets update. She's portfolio manager at Absa Asset Management.